This is a used 2004 Volvo XC70. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine, and a 5-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, heated seats, steering wheel controls, memory seats, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system, power seats. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, traction control, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Reineke Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 12000 County Road 99, Findlay, Ohio 45840.